guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are on the gold chart or xauusd chart, and it is weekly time frame. We have RSI for the price. As you can see, the price is making higher highs and RSI is making lower lows, which is showing that the price has divergence. Okay, and also we have this strong resistance in front of the price, and also the candles with shadows from upside. 1, 2, 3, 4 shadows from upside. Okay, and if this week's candle can close like a shadow and a nice red candle, and if we check daily time frame, and also our trend line, this one here, can be broken to the downside on daily time frame, then we can actually enter a long-term sell position on gold. But also right now on 4-hour time frame, if we check that, I told you that we can have a buy position. Let me close RSI. I told you that we have this trend line for the price, which was broken to the upside in the past of the market. If you have watched my analysis before, I've told you we can have some buy positions here, some sell positions there, and so on. We had this pin bar on this trend line. I told you that we can have a buy position here with a stop loss below that and look for our reward, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here, which is fantastic. But if we check 1-hour time frame, you can see that we had this trend line for the price too, which I told you with the break of this to the downside we can have a sell position, which the price couldn't break it, and on the 15-minute time frame it gave us a nice candle on this actually trend line, which is acting as a support. I always tell you that you can draw the trend lines and support and resistances in the bigger time frame and enter the trade sell position or long position in the lower time frame, like 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. Okay, like we had this trend line in the 1-hour time frame and the candle in the 15-minute time frame, this candle here. Okay, this is a nice pin bar candle on this trend line, which is acting as a support, so it is a signal to enter buy position even before the news came out, the CPI news. Okay, the news was on 16 and the candle is formed on 1545. Okay, so we could risk here an enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. But if you want to go on 5-minute time frame, we also had a nice support here like this one, which the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. So this can be a nice level of support, and the price touches that and starts making a candle like this, a strong green candle without any shadow from upside. So it is actually on 15-minute time frame a pin bar. So a pin bar on a support and the trend line, it is actually two confirmations to enter buy position here. So you can risk on that, you can risk on these kind of positions and make profits with them. But right now on 1-hour time frame, let's see what we have. We don't have anything special on let's check 1-minute time frame to see what is going on the live market. We had a trend line here which was like this. I had a position on that. We had a trend line like this, and when we see these shadows outside the trend line, we extend it until the price break it here. So we could have risked here an enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles and look for our reward, which the price of course gives us a reward of 4 or 5 somewhere here. But right now we don't have actually anything special, but we can actually draw this trend line, which I'm not actually interested in this one. But with the break of this to the downside, we can actually enter sell position. Right now the price is making some patterns. It is not formed yet, so we should wait for the price to form some patterns that we can actually enter positions with them. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of gold or xauusd. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment. Tell me your ideas about the future of gold in the upcoming days by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.